Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape content section separator. Open Photoshop and create a white canvas. Select the custom shape tool and choose a wave or zigzag divider shape. Draw the shape horizontally across the canvas. Hold shift to keep it straight. Change fill color to light gray. Reduce opacity to 60%. Duplicate the divider shape and move duplicate slightly downward. Now reduce opacity further. Add text above and below divider. Adjust spacing carefully. Align everything to the center. Zoom out to preview layout and section separation fields divider. Design looks professional. Custom shape divider complete. Thanks for watching. Your project is ready in Photoshop.